In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a table in Canva. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so open up a new project inside of Canva. Now, once we've done that, we want to go and head on over to the left-hand side and click onto Elements. From Elements, it's going to say Search Elements. From here, type in Table and then hit Enter. Now, we can see all the available templates of tables, so click on the see all tables and now choose which type of table you like to insert. So say if I want to add this red one in, I can, and now here it is here inside of my project. So we can make this larger or smaller by adjusting it from the corner here. And now also we can move this table, so click on the table, click on the move button, and then move this to wherever you like it to. Now if you want to change the color inside one of these boxes, we can too. So just click on the box. So if I want to change this to say yellow, we can. I want to change that one to red, so it's fully customizable. Now if you want to change the border style, we can. So click on the table, now click on border, and we can change some borders. We can add a top border, left border. We can also do the border style. So if you want dots or multi-dots, we can do that like so. You see how that changed? So these tables are fully customizable inside of Canva.